The first words have no meaning, nor the second. Possibly never, not while written. For that means they are being read, scrutinized, examined, and judged. When you know they will never see the light of day, wow, that gives release to real words. An open moment, a secret, a hot breath, a cold release. The call to prayer begins with 1,000 ancient cries already streaming through your blood that you never knew stained your dreams. Before the sun has even hinted its existence, and the city's a dark blanket hidden in shadows, the cry echoes over millions of lives. A deep history and heavy soul that pierces the horizon. Chaos will reign soon, and the trumpets of cars and motorbikes will accompany. But before the wave of humanity spreads across the city like a turbulent sea at high tide, the peace lies tucked in shadows, whispering their way out of corners, if you're here to listen. Soft floating voices and the barking of dogs drift into my window, along with the warm breeze, somewhere in Cairo.